Charles Hinga uria ni mwandiki mukaru wa ministry ya waki augite thina munene uri cungiririo unyihu wa nyumba bururi-ini ni gukorwo waki ni ugite na goro guku bururi-ini thogora wa iguru wa migunda na mabengi kuheana ngombo na njoherera cia iguru undu uria augite no gicunje kia 2 hari igana kia a Kenya mangihota kuriha.
And the main drivers of this cost is obscenely high cost of land, very costly cost of construction, processes that don't make sense, and financing that ensures only 2% of this economy can afford to get a house.
Hinga ninge ni arutite mukana kuri ene kandarathi ya miako ya manyumba guku bururi-ini akiuga no nginyagia make miako ikinyanirie ikiro akiuga aria makunyitikana makite miako itakinyanirie ikiro no marua mao ma wira magukanjwo.
And we know there are a lot of mediocre contractors, fly-by-night contractors that are costing this economy a lot of money. And some of you, be warned. In housing, at the very least, I have started cancelling some of your contracts, and the cancellation of your contract is not enough. I'm going to get you deregistered at National Construction Authority. Some of you, we don't understand how you even got those ratings. How can you be an NCA 1 and you cannot even mobilize?
Hone arutite ritana kuri muingi gukorwo ukiandikithia na mubango wa affordable housing relief uria wikiritwo ni thirikari kuona ica ikuhi andu aingi ni magukorwo magithamira matauni-ini.
Start saving. Take advantage. Let me tell you, if you do not apply to become a homeowner, the money that I've talked about, the affordable housing relief, you will not get it. So you need to be a saver. You need to be saving towards your home so that you can get the money government is giving you for free so that you can own a home. Leave alone that you have house allowance.
Waki wa nyumba cia raithi ni imwe ya ituge inya iria cia mutongoria wa bururi ni tanyite gukorwo ikinyanirio gugikinyaniria mwaka wa 2030. Riboti na Kameme TV kuma kaunti ya Nyeri njitagwo Wahu.